Hey, what's up, guys? I'm your host Kutal, and you're watching Game Simulation channel. And today I will show you my hard work of years. Means today I will show you my hardcore world, which I have been making from many years. You can say so, and I'll as well as I will show you my hardcore world also, and show you that how you can make a upgraded bone meal farm. In my first video, you will get the link in the description for my first video in the comment section, and in that I showed you how you can make a bone meal farm, but that bone meal farm needs the seeds to make the bone meal farm. But in this farm you can make automatically unlimited bone meal farm. So first I will show you my hardcore world. So firstly I will show you that actually the house is not good, but in future I will make a video that where I will be making a new house, a new modern house. So firstly I want to show you my survival house which I have made. You will say that it's not that good, but it's a survival mode only. So in future you will get surely a new video for making a modern house. I will surely make it. This is my mining area. You can see that it goes very far. You can meet my pet. Enchanting tables, and these are some chests. Means my, you can say, my hard work which I have made to collect these all things. Name tags you can see, and trident. And one more thing, means I have so many enchanting bottles. Like where are the enchanting bottles? Wait, I want to show you. See, means I have 64 enchanting bottles. 64 enchanting bottles. Yes, I have searched many villages I have found in this area. Means you can see my coordinates also. These coordinates are so rare. Now you would say that I have used any seed or what. No, I have not used any seed. You can see how many enchanting tables I have. Enchanting tables, I say, enchanting books. Let me take some food also. I have less food, only 48 breads I have. And yeah, this much only I need. Now you will think that where this villagers sound are coming. I want to show that I have tried many villages here for trading them. Such so many. Now let's go out. Now you'll be thinking, then what are these things? Actually, firstly, see, this is a mob farm. Means the mobs falls from up there. I kill them and I get some loots. You can see the loots here. Like I have get one trident also. Means it is very rare. I got this trident very rarely. I have this golden boots, these axe, chest plate, many things I have got from these. You can see, yeah, this is my hard work. I have made these. I have found at least three. Means I have found at least three end worlds. Wait, is it going to be night? Wait, let me check. Let me just do it for always day. Always day, always day, always day. I said all. So no need for it. Now let me show you some more things. I will show you this. Actually, these sugar canes make a figure, but I will show it later. Actually, it's very good figure. I will show you later. From if you look it from upward, the sugar canes make a drawing or something. I will show you later. First level is show you my gold farm. Means I have made this where all the mobs come and I have to kill them and get the gold. What? Leave them. Oh, my game is lagging. My game is lagging a little bit. Let me off it. Let me off it. Let me off it. My game lagged because of this. Yes. Now my game will not lag. Why is it so nice? Let me go inside. Let me go. Let me just go inside. I will stay from there. Let me go inside. It's making a lot of noise. Yeah, much better. See, means my all the chests are full. Almost all the chests are so much full that I can't save. It's making a lot of noise. Let us go from here. Let us go from here. Let us go from here. It will. Wait. Let me just on it. Let me on it. Then it will glitch my game. Yeah. So let me show you more things. You would be seeing that wow, so many flowers are there. Actually, I have grown them because in future you will also get one video for how to make a honey farm. For that you need many flowers. Actually, I have grown them for that. The bees should come here because we need an idea that where bees should come. Actually, I have also tamed this cat for here. Now you say what was this? What is this? Actually, this is a funny thing. Means not a use I just made for fun. I was just getting bored, so I made this for fun. Wait, let me just show you what happens. You can just take someone here and just say that press the button. So when he will feel that the lava would come and kill him. But no, the lava will not come and kill him because there are signboards over there. Now let me show you more things. Actually, I made my survival hardcore world near a village only because I found that it would be more easier for me. Means you would not believe that my 5 diamond pickaxe got expired because I want to clean these 2 mountains. These were the 2 mountains. From there to there they were connected, so I just broke them all just to found the way. I brought many chorus seeds to grow here, chorus fruits. I brought them many. Now here's my farm, very big farm, and here's my buddy, my super buddy. Means I have done many. Means what should I say about him? Means I have been with him for many years. I have traveled on him. I tamed him. I have also grown these vines trees for a better view. You can come on here, and then like from here you can go. You just need some rockets. Oh wait, am I waiting Electra? No, that is why I took damage, but it's okay. Need the right armor? No need. Wait. I forgot to put the gate. Now how will I get out? Wait, I have an idea. Wait. Finally. I have grown these just for fun. Now actually I have made this thing for emergency. For example, if I want to make a modern house, I can shift my all the things here. I have made not a modern lift, but surely make it. I will bring all my things here because I said in the starting that I will bring a video for making a modern house in the hardcore world. So it's guaranteed that I will bring a modern house, but not now. So as you have, one more thing. I want to show you my sky base also, and the end portal. You won't believe that where the end portal is. I will show you from upward. And yeah, I forgot that I also have to show you the sugarcane drawing which I made using them. First we need food. There's my porchok. I made these vines, but no use of slime in the vines because whenever I use the vines to go up, I always fall. So I better go with the rockets only, firework rockets. See how beautiful my showcase is looking. Such a beautiful. Now wait, let me just go to the sky base. So this is my sky base. Means it's in the clouds. Yeah, I use this in case of emergency only because means I use it in very not for my survival. I use it in emergency only, but because if any raid is done in at my survival hardcore world, so I come up here, then I use the skybase. Actually, I was just interchanging my elytra because that elytra was having some. Oh, I got scared that what was it? It's a cloud only. Here in all of these are netherite chest plates, 5 rockets. Yeah, wait. I need 5 rockets. My rockets are getting finished. Let me just take out my 5 rockets. Where are they? Yeah. Here are the rockets. I need them all. You would say that how many elytras I have? Yes, actually I have found 3 of these. I have found very yeah. In reality, I have found 3 uh end portal, and you won't believe the first end portal is there only. Yeah, actually, it was a mountain over here. So in my when in the starting in my hardcore world, I when I combined the blaze rod with the these ender pearls, I found it, and so they were in this mountain only. So I broke all the mountain. I told you that around 5 to 6 diamond pickaxe got expired because of breaking this. So you have seen my hardcore world. Now it's time for the making the bone meal farm. Yeah, it would be a fully automatic bone meal farm which I would be making now. So for that, what you need, I will be just right back showing you that what things you need. I have brought my friends also. So how do we have to begin? Our first, I'm putting all the extra things here which I don't need right now. I'm putting this also. I'm putting this. I'm putting this. I need the arrows. I don't need a lead. I don't need these blocks right now. I'm putting these as well around here. I need just one stack of it. So you will take this composters, hoppers, and building blocks. I will take all these things. So how to begin? First, you take your all the chests, and your mainly composters and hoppers. Okay. So what you need to do? I will start beginning. So what should I? We have to dig it. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to place a chest over here, take a hopper, one composter, again one hopper. Okay, now what to do? Now break all these. Till here. Actually, I'm not using my shovel because yesterday only my shovel got broke. So I will make it, but right now it's no important for my viewers. So now place your all the hoppers like this, connecting to the main one. After you have done it, now just take your blocks, the building blocks which you will use. For example, I have now go here, build a wall of 4 blocks. Wait, let me just go inside also. Oh, my one block is. Let me use this dirt as a temporary block only right now, but later we will do it. So what you have to do? Come. You have to come here. Take your sand, crouch, click it, again click it. Now take your cactus. Remember to be crouched. If you will not crouch, you will take damage. Wait. Oh, wait. I'm taking why? I'm taking damage, I don't know. Why I was taking damage? Even means I was. Yeah, I forgot. Actually it is cactus, not magma block. You have to put it around of 2 blocks. Okay. Now, once you have done it, now take your fence. Start putting it right here. Wait, let me just go up there. Jump on the. Wait, let me just. Once you have done it, crouch, click it here. Again do it. Only till 1 block. Don't go over, means not go above it. Now once you have done it, come at this side. Again do it here. Now come at this side, again do it same. Once you have done it, break these. I don't know why I'm always taking this damage. Let me just make a path for the chest. Let me just decorate also. Means it's looking very ordinary. I will decorate it. Wait, I will decorate with this only. It will look better than that dirt. It's looking awesome. Just don't make joke on me that I'm not using a shovel. Even I'm such a good player. I told you that my shovel got broke yesterday only. I'll definitely make a new one. Wait, let me just take my stuff. So when the cactus will grow, the fence on its side will break it, and the cactus will fall in this hopper, and this hopper will send it to the compost, and the compost will turn it into the bone meal, and the bone meal will go in the chest. Let me do just AFK, and after that let me just see if it works or not. I think it's been 10 minutes till not 10 minutes, I would say it's been just 2 minutes. Let me say just how much I have got. I'm not getting any. Why all the cactus is stuck here? Wait a minute. Oh, now I know. Wait. I need a hopper. No, yes. So now where is my composter? Composter. Where is my shovel? Not shovel, cactus. Okay, now where is my chest? Chest. I think these two blocks will do a lot of glitching and thing. Now I think it should work. What wrong thing am I doing? Oh, yeah. Actually, what we have to do, I did something wrong. Now I remember. What you have to do? Take your chest and place it here. Open it. Means all the stuff is not coming now. Yeah. I know what I have done wrong. I will correct it. Just follow my steps. We have done these all things wrong. We will do it later. Wait. Let me just take all these things. Take your temporary blocks. I will take this sand. Now take your hopper and place it on it. Okay. Now wait, let me just put something in the hopper. Yeah, means yes, all these things are going in that hopper. Yes, it is working. Now what you have to do? Now place your one more chest here. Your hopper. We need to go one in depth mode. I will take my stuff. Place your chest here. Hopper. After, take your composter and your one more hopper. Now you'll be hearing all this sound. Just it's raining. Let me. Yeah. So now let me make a pathway for going up. Now I will just come back in half an hour and show you that how many bone meal farm I have got. hey, actually, I don't want you to get bored. So I was also excited because I am making this farm. Let me just check that if it's working or not. If it would be working, I would really recommend you to make in your creative mode if you want, or in your hardcore world, because see, you have get 8 bone meal farm in just 1 minute. In just 1 minute, means I would not say in 1 minute, means you will get a lot of amount of bone meal farm. Let me just open it and just means all the oh, these are some composture. I need to get back my water bucket also. Should be here. Means literally you will get, means it will get automatically bone meal farm with this farm. And I will really recommend you to make it. In my first video I showed that you need to put seeds, but here you don't need to put anything. You just do AFK or just do your random text speed to 1000 2000. Bone meal farm means I cannot tell you in words that how much bone meal farm you will get. So if you have liked my video, just subscribe my channel, and so you should not miss any video. And I would definitely guarantee that in future you will get a modern house video, because I have made that structure for this only, to transfer my things to there. And this is the dragon egg. Yes, this is the dragon egg, and the dragon egg. I beat him. So I have showed you everything. My hardcore world means, just to praise me, just give me a like and subscribe my channel. Take care.